Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 22 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about today's problem. Apparently we're having a month of easy problems for some reason. So yeah, maximum score after splitting a string, 1422. Alright, first thing to see is that n is 500, so if you really want to, if you just want to get it over with, you could write 2 for loops and split it in some points, and that'll be your answer, right? But I think recently, maybe not even recently, but definitely a couple of times, some recent, some not, a similar problem is going to be a similar problem, but with a much bigger n. So you have to figure out, one way or the other, how to go attack this problem. So the idea in this one is just still brute force in a way. Maybe not that brute, but in terms of solving it, is just try to figure out, okay, well, let's say we have a long string, whatever, and basically we're trying every division. We're trying to put a split here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and then dot, dot, dot. You get the idea. The idea about solving this in linear time, of course, is just not to throw away calculations that you've done, and then just kind of take advantage of that by just calculating deltas. For example, here, let's say n is equal to s, and we'll code it while talking about it, right? So for c and s, for example, but now, for example, you could say, and I'll just write it out, you have zeros on the left, zeros left, or maybe left zeros, I don't know which one's better. But left zeros, is it, the zeros have a e? I always feel like I don't know how to spell. Anyway, yeah, left ones is equal to 0, right zeros is equal to, well, we have to fill it out, right? So then now we can just start by counting these. If c is equal to 0, a string version of 0, right zeros, else, oops, right ones is equal to 1, or increment by 1. Now we have a state of, okay, right? And yeah, so number of zeros in the left plus the number of ones in the right? So then now the current score, which is our only score, is going to be left zeros plus right ones, right? Pretty straightforward. We return best at the end. And then now we're trying to move move c from right to left, right? So then now we're moving it from right, so if c is equal to 0, then now what, right? Well, right zeros, we lost 1, and then left zeros, we increment by 1, else, this is a 1 of course, then right ones, subtract, left ones we add, and then of course, we take the best of either the functions that we ask again, and that's pretty much it. That's the idea, is that as you shift, only one thing changes, right? You're moving a character, a 0 maybe, a 1 maybe, from the right to the left, one at a time. And of course, I get the right wrong answer. What the he? Huh. That is unexpected. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, they have to be non-empty. Okay, so I messed up here because I didn't realize they have to be non-empty. So that means that, well, we don't do this, and also we don't do the last character, right? So because the last character has to be on the right side, and in the other thing, this assumes that there's no characters on the left side, so that's why we remove it. But actually, I guess we have to set it to like 0 or something. But yeah, did not read the problem fully, but you get the idea. Still, the core idea, of course, is the shifting and adding, and that will allow you to kind of think about things incrementally. Because even though this is O of n loop, instead of doing O of n work inside, you do O of 1 work, and that's really the core part about a linear problem, a linear solution rather. Yeah, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Happy holidays, enjoy your week, enjoy your whatever. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.